Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? It's your favorite OG Larry, tapping in with you just to give you a little update on what's going on with the markets. Is the Santa rally gonna happen, or has the Santa rally been crushed? It's been a whole lot of fake out moves, whole lot of ups and downs. The markets have been very choppy, but we still have until January 5th, technically, for the markets to pump, and that's what I want you to be aware of. Just be patient right through here. When you see this chop, you don't have to force a trade. I tried to force a trade today and ended up missing my exit and ended up getting chopped up. So made a mistake today and broke my own rules and paid for it. So you want to be patient because the market will reward your patience. And if you're impatient, then you're going to get crushed by this choppiness, theta decay, and all that. Wait for you to get a true trend reversal before you try to decide whether the market's going to go up or whether it's going to go down, because we haven't got there yet. A pullback is not a reversal. We could be just going through this little pullback, and in any day now, it could be tomorrow or it could be Wednesday, we get that pump up and everybody be screaming Santa rally all over again. So just be patient. We have the SPY needs to get over 693. The SPY can get over 693. We might be able to see 700 before year ends or early into next year. And QQQ stay above 620. We might be able to climb back up to 625, 630 early into early next year. So some of the Mag 7 stocks you want to watch and pay attention to. You want to pay attention to NVIDIA. NVIDIA actually closed the day on the upside a little bit, ended up at over 188. Let me look right here real quick where NVIDIA closed, 188.22. So that was a little bit to the upside. And the SPY closed, SPX closed over 6,900, 6,905 exactly. It chopped all day. When it's high, it's 6,920, so 6,921 area. And so we have a little momentum in the market, even though not that much. So with that little momentum that we have, if tomorrow we get a pump, we get a pump back to the upside, then we can look forward to maybe a little momentum going back up. But wait for your levels, be patient, and don't be fooled. It seems like the markets are doing the opposite of what a retail might expect it to do. So that's part of the tricks and part of the traps that you fall into when you're in this game. So be patient and wait for the market to come to you, because it will come. You know, like I said, a pullback is not a reversal. We're still trending upwards, and it's still a possibility that we get that Santa rally. So if that happens, keep the Mag 7 stocks on your radar. Keep the SPY 693 on your radar. And if we start to move up, keep an eye on Meta and NVIDIA and some of the Mag 7 stocks that might lead the way. Apple too. So keep your eyes on the Mag 7 stocks. They could lead the way up. And be ready to get ready for 2026, because 2026 may be a volatile year and may be a lot of opportunities to buy in 2026, just like we had it this year. So when we get these pullbacks and you get these buying opportunities, it's good to have dry powder if you're not over trading or not getting into the market. If you're just watching, which is a good thing, watching right now is a beautiful thing to do. If you're sitting in cash, just watch and let the market come to you and see what's going to happen next. So with that being said, I'm just going to make this a short video. Just wanted to tap in to tell everybody to be patient, and if you have to sit on your hands and watch and see what the market does until it comes to you, then that's a good thing to do. There's nothing wrong with just waiting for your shot, waiting for your right setup. And right now, the market's not giving us anything. No A+ setups, just giving us a bunch of chop. And but it'll pick a direction, and when it does, be ready and we'll pounce. So with that being said, I'm out here. Peace.